Is the Edelweiss Life Premier Guaranteed Star Plan truly a premier choice for guaranteed savings or just another traditional product with modest returns? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So this is an individual, non-linked, non-participating savings life insurance product. So some of the key features of the policy are: it provides you with life insurance coverage to safeguard your family's financial security. It helps support future goals by offering stable, assured returns in the form of regular income. It offers flexibility to customize the plan through multiple policy term and premium payment term options along with a maturity benefit. So it also allows the addition of riders to enhance protection, which can be subjected to an additional premium. It is also eligible for tax benefits on premiums paid and benefits received as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy. There are benefits like death benefit, income benefit payouts, and maturity benefit. And also there are some advantages which we can see now, like maximum loan available is capped at 60% of the surrender value. It provides you with enhanced protection through optional riders. It also offers guaranteed payouts that increase at regular intervals of every 5 years. So some of the disadvantages are: the life insurance cover offered is inadequate to provide meaningful financial protection. So the annual income payouts may encourage unplanned or discretionary spending. So the income benefit cannot be deferred, which limits alignment with specific financial requirements. So your regular annual withdrawals can also disrupt the power of compounding, thereby constraining long-term wealth creation. So these are some of the drawbacks that we need to keep in our mind before deciding to invest in this policy. So now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us make a more informed decision. So here, for example purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a base sum assured of 50 lakhs. The policy term is 44 years with a premium payment term of 12 years requiring an annual premium of 5 lakhs. So the policyholder here has chosen the lump sum option. So income benefits commence after 15 years. So the first annual payout is 6.86 lakhs, which increases by 5% every 5 policy years on a simple basis. In addition, a maturity benefit of 60 lakhs is payable at the end of the policy term. So based on these cash flows presented on the screen, the IRR works out to be approximately 6.55% as per the policy's maturity calculator. Although the plan provides guaranteed and predictable payouts, the income may not be adequate to meet large financial requirements. Since the income benefit cannot be deferred, it may also result in avoidable or unplanned spending. Moreover, the life insurance cover is insufficient to adequately protect the family's long-term financial interest. In conclusion, while the Edelweiss Life Premier Guaranteed Star policy combines guaranteed benefits with life insurance coverage over an extended period, the limited flexibility in benefit payouts and the inadequate level of protection makes it an unsuitable choice for achieving long-term financial goals. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to take an alternative approach. So instead of combining insurance and investment under one policy like how Edelweiss does, we are going to separately invest in both these components to see whether that can give us more efficient returns by using the same assumptions or similar assumptions as the previous example. So for a much more fair comparison, so here we are going to consider opting for a pure term life insurance policy for life cover with a sum assured of 50 lakhs. The annual premium is 17,600 rupees, which is payable for 10 years with a policy term of 30 years. So the coverage is limited to the working years, is typically sufficient. So the structure leaves approximately 4.82 lakhs per year available for investment, which can be deployed in line with the investor's risk profile. So if you are a conservative investor, you may prefer instruments such as the Public Provident Fund (PPF), while those with a higher risk tolerance can consider equity-oriented options such as equity mutual funds. So in this example presented on the screen, the tabular column, you can see the surplus is assumed to be invested in an equity mutual fund scheme. So for an example purpose, so to generate regular income, the accumulated equity mutual fund corpus can later be shifted to an instrument offering an assumed return of 7% per annum. So withdrawals are structured to broadly mirror the income pattern of the Edelweiss policy with a terminal value aligned to its maturity benefit. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated the tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So under this approach, the equity mutual fund investment grows to a pre-tax value of 1.83 crores and a post-tax value of 1.68 crores. This corpus, when invested at 7% per annum and withdrawn periodically in a manner similar to the insurance plan, results in a final investment value of 5.05 crores. So the combined post-tax IRR of the strategy, comprising a pure term insurance policy and equity mutual fund investment, works out to be approximately 8.41%. So this return comfortably exceeds inflation and refrains from periodic withdrawals, which could further enhance wealth creation. Overall, when planning long-term financial goals, separating insurance from investment generally delivers more efficient and rewarding outcomes than relying on traditional life insurance cum investment products. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Edelweiss Life Premier Guaranteed Star Plan worth it or not? So this policy offers guaranteed increasing income along with life insurance coverage. While the promise of an assured income may appeal to investors seeking regular cash flows, the rigid payout structure is a significant limitation, as the benefits cannot be accumulated or taken at a later stage. So the rising income payouts are unlikely to meet large or inflation adjusted expenses and may instead encourage discretionary spending. Moreover, the sum assured is inadequate to address long-term financial requirements, and it also has a high agent commission. By combining insurance and investment into a single product, the plan falls short on both protection and wealth creation. From a long-term investment perspective, the plan does not align with the expectations of most investors. So those looking for a regular income are better served by investing separately through appropriate financial instruments rather than depending on cash payouts from a life insurance policy. At the same time, safeguarding your family against unforeseen risk remains critical, and a pure term life insurance policy is the most efficient solution for adequate life cover.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.